Okay, so we're kind of in Taipa village. We're just gonna walk down some of these little alleys, and they're kind of cool looking. So let me just kind of show you the angles of some of these too. It's all kind of pedestrian, no cars can get in here, of course. So let's come on back, and I'm gonna meander a little bit. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, let's meander a little bit into Taipa village. So yeah, you just kind of see here, Be Live. It's Be Live. This looks like kind of new. It's like an apartment building. Blossom Cafe. Cabeza de Gloria. I think this one has some. Those are all the motorcycles down there. We're gonna go down to Huedos. Oh, this is the artwork I was looking for right here. Oh yeah, here we go. This is kind of one of the things I wanted to capture right here. Portuguese bakery is also good to know too. Got some good food there. Gonna head up to the main street a little bit. So yeah, this little Taipa village area. That's kind of captured. So yeah, that's kind of where we came from, and I kind of want to explore a little bit more of these little alley kind of stuff. That right there is Go at Nights. That building right there, so there's a nice balcony up the top. But a lot of these have good balconies too. Tapas de Portugal. Dinner time cafe, huh? And straight ahead is Rua de Cunho. So you're gonna head up that way in a minute. You got these little tiny little alleys like that. You got another little alley like that. And if we're gonna head that way, let's kind of go down a little bit more alleyways a little bit. And we'll end over here. And we're gonna conclude at Rua de Cunho. Just straight ahead. There's Rua de Cunho right there. Lots of tourists. So that's kind of that little area, Taipa village, and you can kind of explore all over this area. Okay. So you can also walk all the way up to that way as well. Got some nice other alleys like that. And yeah, that just kind of keeps on going, but this whole area right here is called Rua de Cunho, or Taipa village. A nice little plaza too. So that's all Taipa village. So that's a bunch of little alleyways and pedestrian ways that look like that little alley, and shops and cool stuff all over the place in there. All right. Chiquinha, chiquinha.